Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we just arrived on site. I am doing a setup for a baby shower. I am doing a backdrop, 2 balloon garlands and 2 balloon columns. The colors are royal blue, white, gold, and then the client wanted a hint of black. So this is like my biggest setup since I started doing all this. I prepped a lot at home, so hopefully it's smooth. Well, no setup is smooth, but hopefully it's as smooth as it gets. I did do, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are on site. We just arrived. I am doing a setup for a baby shower. The colors are royal blue, white, gold, and the client wanted a hint of black. I am doing a backdrop, 2 balloon garlands and 2 organic balloon columns. I did do a video on how I created the organic balloon columns. And by the time you guys see this video, that video will be up already. I'm going to upload that one first. So I will link it in the description box so you guys can watch that video. Please go watch it. Go watch that video on how I created the balloon columns. But yeah, this is my biggest setup that I've done so far. So I prepped a lot at home, so hopefully it's smooth selling, God willing, inshallah. So yeah, nervous, but I'm ready. I'm so ready. But that's it. So let's get started. All right, guys, this is the final look. So some things that I learned doing this, not even learned, but just, you know, to keep in mind, some reminders for, you know, when I do these setups is, for one, I was forgetting to reach for my large balloons, and I had them in the royal blue and in the white. So you on site and you need to fill up those holes and those gaps. You know, reach for those large balloons or make those small clusters. Don't forget to make it fuller at the bottom. That's something I was forgetting. I was beating myself up afterwards. If you don't know me, I'm like my worst critic over here. But for sure, you know, make sure you reach for those large balloons. One thing that I didn't do this time, which I typically do, is when I tie on my 3-foot balloons or my 24-inch balloons, I typically tie the neck of the balloon to a neck of a cluster. I did use 260, which the 260 works perfectly fine. However, I like how when you tie the neck of the 3-foot or the 24-inch, those large balloons, to a neck of the cluster, it just, for me, it pulls it tighter. And then you can get it as tight like that with 260. You just have to, you know, make sure you actually pull the 260, stretch it out as much as you can to wrap it around correctly, so it can be really tight. But when you do it neck to neck, I feel like it just comes out better that way. But basically those two was pretty my biggest thing from this setup that I learned, or, you know, I had to remind myself to make sure you fill in all the holes, and, you know, stepping back and just making sure you're looking at your finished results and stuff like that. And of course, there's things that you just can't do because of time. But yeah, those are my biggest thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this setup. Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe, all that in between. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.